Hi my friends, my name is Leo Repair from Boston. I'm gonna show you how disable alarm system for 2001 Dodge Ram. It's easy. To deactivate alarm system is easy. So you have to figure out the cable green orange. So you have to get a resistor and 150 ohm, 1015 ohm. So it's easy. So I'm gonna show you how deactivate alarm system. It's only put it this the resistor and simulate ground. It's easy. It's only a push. You touching, removing. It's easy. So the car gonna get it on. It's easy. Dodge Grand Caravan, Dodge pickup 2001.